Try, think, sit, talk, ponder, make tadabbur, tafakkur. You can do it. Maybe you're going to be the next one. Maybe you will be the next one who will free our brothers and sisters. Maybe you will be the next one who will bring a huge change to this ummah. Why not? Everyone is proud of their people. Why are we shy of our champions? Be a champion. Impress Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do your best. Strive hard. Do not give up, no matter what it takes. When Sultan Muhammad Fatih, his father would take him across the Golden Horn on the Anatolian side, and he would say, there, this is it. You're going to take it. لا تفتحون القسطنطينية. Telling him this hadith over and over again. فلنعم الأمير أميرها ولنعم الجيش ذلك الجيش. Vision. Legacy. What will you be remembered for? What is your vision? The Prophet ﷺ told us that when a person dies, think, because that motivates you to know that you don't have time. You have to be in a sense of urgency to develop yourself and to leave this vision and this mission. One vision can echo for a long time. But the Prophet ﷺ told us that when a man passes away, the angels asked, what did he bring forward? What did he bring forward for the akhirah? And the humans will say, what did he leave behind? But today I want to talk to you about what you leave behind. What will people say when you're not here anymore? What will people say? What is your legacy? That is the question that I want you to think about today. As you can see what's happening around the world, and specifically in Palestine, our dear brothers and sisters who are suffering, and they've been suffering over and over again. This is an issue of faith for us. This is not just a place that, hey, they're just our brothers. This place is the third holiest place in our deen. This is the place that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took the Prophet ﷺ from Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa. This is the place that he ascended from to the heavens. This is no just ordinary place. This is the place that Umar Khattab radiallahu anh opened. They called him to come. And look at the way. Look at the humility. His servant is riding the ride when they enter. And they didn't know who's the leader and who's the servant. What did he do? Did he kill everyone? No. He protected people. Yes, there was strictness. Yes, there was rules. But protection. And look what's happening right now. Fast forward. Salahuddin Ayyubi, rahimahullah, a visionary, a warrior, a man with a legacy. But guess what? His teacher, Zinki, and his teacher had this vision to build the minbar in Masjid al-Aqsa. It was already done. When Salahuddin took over and his teacher passed away, rahimahullah, he put in the minbar. Vision. As if it's gonna happen. When Sultan Muhammad Fatih, his father would take him across the Golden Horn on the Anatolian side, and he would say, there, this is it. You're gonna take it. لا تفتحون القسطنطينية. Telling him this hadith over and over again. فلنعم الأمير أميرها ولنعم الجيش ذلك الجيش. The hadith of Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, rahimahullah, who he himself tried to take it, and he's buried just outside of Istanbul. Vision. Direction. Legacy. What will you be remembered for? We're not leaving this to be remembered so that people can say, okay, wow, he did so. No, because we know that that's not what we want. We don't care about the praise of people. We don't want to impress the people, but ultimately they will speak about you. There's not one day maybe that we don't say Imam Muslim collected this hadith, Imam Bukhari collected this hadith, isn't it? Imam al-Nawawi collected this hadith, Imam Ghazali said this, Imam Ibn Taymiyyah said this, Ibn al-Qayyim said that. We don't have days that will not mention these things, right? They have left a legacy.